Do you want to add notes on Facebook profile? You can put notes on your Facebook with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add notes on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To add notes on your Facebook profile, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on the Facebook newsfeed, go to your profile. Now, at the top of your profile picture, you will see a box with the text note. Just tap on it to add a new note to your Facebook profile. Now, type what you want to share on your Facebook note. You can enter up to 60 characters in notes. Once you enter the text for the note, tap on the share button at the top right of the screen. Now, your note will be visible on your Facebook profile, and your friends and followers can see it.